right, and I pay so Jama Obibia Kwaba and Famra say Oba Network. Yes, as usual, Oba. Don't forget, sir, Mr. Oba subscribing and pay also what much and pay yet the exclusive no and so at the air, but where I Asante Kotoko news and it's me Abuano she yet the air some samba or no contract issues. I want some at the manim pampe. I don't some and so at the air Babasuma. And yet, Asem Ketwa Krana, yes, some say. And when officially Asante Kotoko Timono Edebatwa Bontain, Sir Abranti and friend said Dogo Yakubu, yes, striker, Mebeka Shaw and Rasa, and 50 Monday Ebesine. Now I'm on official announcement about Bontain said striker or Musa Cabino. And then you may Anna Timono Edebatu just officially. I'm on Dogo Yakubu, and so it's him every 3 years. Awajia, all about Twasona Ferry. 20 years old boy from Min City. Na Min City no omo Ghana here say na so bet e kan no. Wesco eho ana boy no omo mu training session. Enti open Min City etime hu mo a uro mo Wesco school one ma. Yes, Swami Methodist one mo no eho no mo hye. Yes, me ankasa me mpesu aso. Eho no mo hye omo edi omo djuma. Ama bibia nso etim akoso nti officially Asante Kotoko supporter. No say fans no bi adwa say omo ogidi say abetamo ekọ na ope obi ama replace abetamo a ese otimenya player ni mu odu a ye league woni nani so right now so we call for division player amanaba division 2 aro sina kan a chese enya sam ketwa na waba eba be ye adwuma no e dem Asante Kotoko. I think for now no the boy ne be here air support from fans no. Say Asante Kotoko enya striker. Na fans esu for striker da be na striker beba da be na striker beba officially. Omonya bidie. Ye be say ye for support e support brand no. Na onti so won wo bobo ti say Mbappe. Yes. Obobo ti say Mbappe, Kylian Mbappe. E say o Vitinha, ye wo Mbappe. Ene Ligue mede. The yan say ye dey support e be ma brand no. Me ena me also a division 2 player there. And division 2 player eba e dey ara fans mo nya happy. Be dey one man and pay for asa no. Ye be catch am so mo ko for atakumi anya ye. No mo pa branch fence jimano ano anya ye. Face acha wate no ko mo pe anya ye. Abranti a ye fene se Sodo all blast. Abranti and so mo koya Rudolph Mensa anya ye. Enti amase obremi Asante Kotoko fo mpanyifo a na aye bibia wo kakra. So obremi Kotoko fo mpanyifo a bibia wo kakra because omo ye hu se omo try omo best e wo strikers no. Awona ne omo try Elvis Ade Koulibaly. Beni nyina ntima mfa. So if says omo zaka we a I wish say yen support wo mo. Na dia branch no also abai ye we betima e araba club no e mo say the gap between a branch and fella say Yakubu Dogo ene abetamo de emuwa me so say ebirumeka say ene ye yakofa division 2 de ene kema kwa mepoku ene a branch and fella say Morofin Donzu ento aso saa me sure pass mo bi sana mo beka but this is the employee room no almost say the enso timi kan e boy no a fine player to when highlight ni bia and there screens ni so no o when highlight ni bia and there screens ni so no Dogo Israel ejado na diminu pa Israel okoso de no wasa de wasa aba but o tena si din so a obabu sa say e ye okoso de no wasa aba back e kwakwa na kefa ma na ka onya de o ma back. So this is some questions enko be de ebe start busa omo. This some key questions here enko be de ebe busa but I think the supporters in the panel and Asante Kotoko phone pay for the enso to me say omo first striker Emra omo no striker the enso to me ba into official Kotoko assign striker Dogo Yakubu Mbappe see the bia say Mbappe what be do betima idea about club no onye do betima idea about club no Dogo yere ni ye no pay for ba ko kasai ama the church in semu chere o my profile of full dogo na me come second story house of folk na Asante Kotoko air transfers but has yente ninya na e re fe say Rene headache ni issues on house enso etimi wa FIFA e de ban ato house so na enra timu esa kopemu o court mu ninya ne se me no kase Mr. Rene radio so beji ni sika house for e de na kan say e payment plan e de to say omo be ni say e de ma Henry and enra court nkomo na court so no oya ha supporter na utie mi a demetima confirm e de ma won say officially Mr. Rene e de atom pay for the lawyers anim and has for pay for him say still or gene sika nyina 15 billion or je nim say ka enra de ka abotoya mo ebeba na ka bia ka Mr. Rene age atom say o de ne sika no say bia wo teso ana say e bia payment plan no o diso but o say da bi o gene sika nyina den a che say no nya asem keto ente so transfer window e close ente na transfer window e close has any signing it latest development e wo Mr. Rene de no ana de mamutom e wo dwuma de no so no oso wo gene sika nyina on chekra nyi bi mfrim lawyers na ka but still Mr. Rene de osi de ogina o gene sika e de frim payifo domodi na fam domodi ye no tibisa akoba pa no ho enti no so e de otoa ye de amama anya sam ketwa na stars ene abranche ferse samos ekufo awie abranche enya ma Asante Kotoko tim no ene me no ka se samba wona contract issues aye bibia ho a ye no se ka obetima replace abranche ferse samba wona but ena me no ka se osakufo ne de na stars de no aye danda o mesi aka from Asante Kotoko abranche ferse samos ekufo mesi aka from Asante Kotoko ano pemerum adin komo so oni aduana start den sealed omo wie akaso official announcement ebeba any man kitinkiti bi fana di aduana stars with a branch of fence samos ekufo done be dia ka chiriki tuwa bi club to player done the club to club and I difficult be no kwanye gidigidi bia there's small issues be and I'm paying for a solve the few into us go for the no me the fact that you say a bunch of friends say Ebenezer Aqua of Samates now a ideal replacement na Asante Kotoko form paying for a monitor for somebody on a replacement somebody ma catch us or two name paying for him say so be free Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko ain't enya bibi and there is an interview of course the camp of prosper from paying for a confirm here. Oh, sorry, I'm a debremo. And I'm no consensus no. Ebenezer Aqua of Samates ideal replacement. Then it's a bit my Johnny Asante Kotoko no. And also etima movie at a Ghana. Or to us all baby pro. I no pay. Mary was Samates or mother sad story in the Eddie Amami. It's Asante Kotoko two defenders on say. Or better even Razek Samson the Ekrano Enyamai. Saddles ring in a day, Ashiagu. To send me and pay for Bibia, met you when I say Ebenezer Aqua Jono to Asante Kotoko Emaso. Tis a more did you say, obey the replacement, Edama Samba, Oma Munyaha. Maybe true. I'm not meeting Aquaso, our secretariat. I'm not individual mamma and up in Cranny Christopher Jamena. Amunya happy our performance at Timun area na di. Na meeting of course na extensive meeting with the technical team led by coach Fence Abdulkarim Zito. Dedi kind of all that to coach and say oh improve. The improvement and the Biana coach Fence so bad ekano. Sefo na Kotoko team no eye improvement mo enye sake no. Omodi ya to coach no say improve team no na team no dia kwaso ne nye. 2. The next minute was Asante Kotoko Imc eba be share players no 101. Meeting komo na me de ema no. Asante Kotoko Imc eba be share players no 1-on-1. No many person etimating ko ebu so mo say ejabade tebe na sese ekoso sese ama mo problem say the etimaba form. No be the etimache na adwen enu ye 2. After Imc technical team no ebe share players no 1-on-1. Then so mo no my the enso etimating komo. Now for the obia almost there are 2 players in a technical team the enso enemy. 3 matches I had my coach Karim Zito. Now 4 matches I coach no anoshi obo Gold Stars obo Baseke oya kobo Heart of Lions. Now for the Hearts aba be so. But emo train the coach Emra. It's against Gold Stars obo be against Baseke omo be ofie. Now for away against Heart of Lions omo he. Sa anko ye dia ene coach aso be hye. Omo press Ignatius Belfort on table. Omo the coach after say Kasim Mingle e dey to table no so. 2 coaches who any coaches say enra after meeting no omo di to tables o dey ka ye pam coach a na ka omo be hwe akire e dey we season no. But opanyi ba ko dey wo to na atiam say on twe na entwechena. Coach a legend at the Macalabo no. Say papa na ede anim guase ebe to owura no. Enti yema coach and the enwe season afi onko asundwem. Enti eno ye ntimi answer coach e fan say Karim Zito a ayo pagide ba ko na team meeting ase no e de sanse e de tudwa. Hit coach so. And the team no to mo people so don't forget to subscribe na afi also watch me ashe.